Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to delete a comment on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on our devices. Then as soon as we have to go to our account. It should be in the bottom right corner or in the top right corner. Click on it. It opens up. Here we click on Settings at the top. You might have it at the bottom. Click here. Then click on Manage All History. Google account will load. History Controls. We're going to click here. Then click Comments and Replies. This will bring up all of our comments that we have left. Let's say at 7:3 I left a comment oak. At 7:2 I left a comment like this, and this is how I responded to people on my videos. If you want to scroll down, find some comment you wrote and delete it. You can scroll down, find the comment, and click on this cross here. If you want to delete another one, you also click on the cross. That's how easy it is to delete absolutely any comment on YouTube. But if it helped them like the video, you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.